and every voice of over 700,000 Bacooreños is within reach to the universe. Thank you.
Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Janae. Ayan, so for today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang naging final question and answer performances ng top 5 for Miss Bacoor 2024. And without any further ado, let's watch this.
Recently, Bacoor faced a huge fire incident in Sitio Wawa-Longos, Barangay Zapote 3, where 1,000 families have been displaced and lost their homes. As Miss Bacoor, how would you convince a homeless child who has been experiencing hardships because of this that sa Bacoor, at home ka dito?
I think each one of us has major problems in our life, but that doesn't define who we are. Since Bacoor is a city of transformation, I believe that that child would have dreams, and as your next Miss Bacoor, I would use this platform to advocate for important causes, where every dream is reachable and every voice of over 700,000 Bacooreños is within reach to the universe. Thank you.
So yun yung sagot ni Miss Bacoor 2024. That's Natsumi Sekiguchi from Molino Tres. So, panoorin natin agad-agad yung sagot ni Miss Bacoor Tourism 2024 from Dulong Bayan, Janelle Emarian Rivera. So, yung winner magre-represent sa Bacoor sa MEPH next year. And then itong si Miss Teresa magre-represent sa the Miss Philippines for Bacoor.
As a born and raised Bacooreña, I have felt all throughout my journey the love and the support of the Bacooreño people. They have been on my back ever since. And even in my community, I felt the inclusivity. It felt like family. And so I would tell that young kid, we are your family. No matter what happened behind your past, no matter the calamity you face, wherever you are, however you do, dito sa Bacoor at home ka, and we are your family. Thank you.
So kaya ko diniretsyong panoorin yung dalawang sumagot para ma-compare. So sino mas nakasagot ng
Para sa akin mas nasagot ni yung pangalang kandidata. I wonder bakit hindi siya nanalo for the Grand Crown.
Oo.
Yeah, what
Kasi
are your thoughts?
Ganon din, mas natumbok ni sino yun? Dulong Bayan?
Yes, Dulong Bayan.
Ang tanong kasi doon is ano yung may advice niya? Paano mo
Yes.
i-convince yung homeless na bata who has been experiencing hardships?
Paano mo kakausapin? Anong sasabihin mo?
Oo, which is medyo mas na ni Dulong Bayan kasi yung para kay Molino Tres is more of advocacy. Yung sinabi
Kumbaga,
niya.
pinch lang nung message niya dun sa bata, tapos nag-full on advocacy na siya. So, parang medyo lihis.
Pero let's see kung how will they represent Bacoor next year sa MUPH tsaka sa the Miss Philippines. Ito naman, panoorin natin yung naging sagot ni Miss Bacoor Charity 2024. That's Ariana from Malixidos.
I was deeply saddened by the recent crisis in the Barangay Longos.
That's very Tagalog. I was deeply saddened by that.
Parang lang, interview lang siya ng
Very
Regarding the
casual.
question, how would I inspire a child to make her or him believe that Bacoor at home ka dito? Bacoor is not just about your home, your residential home, but Bacoor, the people in Bacoor makes Bacoor homey. Because I feel it myself, like people here all welcoming and all accommodating to me, and I think that will be enough reason for a child to believe that Bacoor will always be its home. Thank you very much.
Yung parang medyo sobrang na-overwhelm siyang sagutin yung tanong na nakalimutan niyang maging empathetic dun sa bata, di ba? Kasi parang how to overcome the situation, ganyan. So,
yeah, oo, yun lang din naman ang kulang dun sa sagot is yung kung ano ba yung actual na sabihin mo, and syempre, hindi lang enough na sabihin mo na warm community.
Oo. Kumbaga, walang personal touch. Paano mo siya i-convince, paano mo siya kakausapin, and nakalimutan na nilang mag-empathize dun sa bata, sa situation na yun. Panoorin naman natin ang naging sagot ng first runner-up, Molino 4, Denise Carol Tolentino.
In Bacoor, we are entitled as a resilient to the point that no matter how hard we face, we are okay. We are facing happy faces. And how I can say to a child, a misfortunate child, that as a public servant and as a Miss Bacoor 2024, I will use this opportunity to collaborate with our city officials in creating programs that will support this kind of situation. Or should I say, my advocacy. My advocacy is about youth empowerment and livelihood. And with that, I think I can inspire others. Thank you.
Sayang naman yung kanyang advocacy na youth empowerment and livelihood. That's an important situation na may pakita niya kung paano niya i-empower yung youth. Sana, di ba? On that certain scenario.
Yung din kasi ang nakikita ko in the whole Philippines, hindi tayo, kumbaga, knowledgeable when it comes to emergency situations, yung mga response or ano yung mga pwedeng gawin when it comes to displacement, lalong-lalo yung mga bata, mga women, ganyan.
Kaya mahirap na i-express yung thought mo authentically and genuinely.
Yeah, kaya I feel like
on a situation na parang time-bounded or
I feel like kaya na i-skip nila yung part na yon.
Lastly, we have Miss Talaba. Tres.
Talaba or Talaba?
Ganun ka lang.
I would convince her, sasabihin ko sa kanya na keep going at wag niyang hahayaan kung ano man ang mga sinasabi ng tao sa paligid niya, at believe in herself. Because I believe when you believe in yourself and you work hard with perseverance and dedication, you will succeed in life. Maraming salamat po.
So yun naman yung sagot na parang ginawa niyang marites yung tanong. Like wala namang sinabi doon sa tanong na may sinasabi ang ibang tao. Paano mo lang siya i-convince yung batang naging homeless dahil doon sa sunog, who has been experiencing hardship because of that situation na sa Bacoor at home ka dito. Wala namang sinabi, may sinasabi yung ibang tao, di ba? So, dun siya nagkamali doon.
Yung tawag dito, sometimes when giving an opinion or an advice, we need to parang study the context. Kasi sometimes yung advice mo, it's good sa ibang context. Siguro pag okay na yung bata, pero in that context, kailangan talaga yung first response natin is makater kung ano yung urgent needs ng bata talaga.
Ang nakikita kong hinihingi talaga dito initially is to acknowledge kung ano yung nararamdaman ng bata. Kasi paano mo maibibigay yung kailangan niya kung hindi mo in-acknowledge, hindi mo siya kinausap. Diba? In-acknowledge mo muna yung sitwasyon niya and then later on yung kung ano pa yung kaya mo i-offer. I think sa situation na to, more on emotional support yung kaya mong ibigay for that, scenario. But anyhow, hindi natin masisi kasi yung time pressure. Good job pa rin sa mga winners and congratulations. So good luck sa inyong mga future endeavors. Thank you so much at sinamahan niyo kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!